Yeah, Mahi, congrats first of all. Mahi, what did you actually tell Hardik when you gave him the ball to bowl the last over?
We were just discussing as to what can be a good length to bowl, whether to go for Yorkers. If you're looking for the Yorker, whether you want to bowl the Yorker on the stump or, wide outside off. So depending on the bowler, you have to picturize as to what is the best option. So that's what we were discussing. I won't elaborate more because, it is also part of our strategy. So maybe by the end of the tournament, I can say more about it. But that's what we were discussing as to what is the best plan at that point of time. And I feel, he executed the plans well.
Mahendra, you slowed the game down a lot. Do you think that was a good tactic that would have kind of offset Bangladesh at those last couple of overs?
Well, if you have time, you can do that. If you don't have the luxury of time, it becomes a bit difficult. But frankly, the intention was not always to slow it. At times I found some of my slower fielders fielding at a position, where they shouldn't be at that point of time. So that's the time where I had to make those changes. And a few occasions where, in fact, I, swapped the deep point with the deep mid wicket, or the deep square leg went to deep point. So it takes a lot of time, but in a game like this, every run really matters. So you have to be very careful about what you want to do. And also, since it was a very important game, I wanted to make sure that the fielders are in the right position. Also in this game, there quite a few catches were dropped, quite a few balls went to fielders who are not the fastest fielder in our side. Usually that doesn't happen, but this was one case where the ball was following a few fielders and, it made life slightly difficult.